In this module, we'll be learning how to set up weights for our categories. In the first module, setting up the gradebook, we learn how to use the total points method, which simply calculates the total points of all the categories at the end of the semester to figure out the grade. In this method, we're going to assign a weight to each one of our categories. So as you can see in the category section, I have 3 categories, and I'm going to assign a weight to each one. Now, the only thing you have to remember is that each of your categories, or your categories, have to add up to 100%. So each category, you have to give it a weight that will accumulate to 100%. So the first thing that we need to do is go to Grade Calculation Options. And at the top, we're going to go to In Progress Grading, and we're going to select Elementary Standard Grade Calculation, and then we are going to select weight categories, and that will automatically fill in all the way down through all the different areas. Now, if you do have a final exam, you do need to deselect the weighted categories if you have a final exam, and then click Save. Now I can, since we do have our categories created, I can go and select each category and modify it. So in the weight here, okay, I have already set this one up to 25%. Okay. And I did that by simply going here and changing the 0 to 25 and selecting Save. Then I'm going to go to Homework. Okay, now homework I have not changed, so you can see that they're all currently 0. So I'm going to go up and change the weight to 25 for homework. And I'm going to click Save. And then I'm going to go to Tests. So I did daily work at 25, homework at 25. I'm going to do tests at 50%. And of course, you can set, if you have 6 categories or 7 categories or even 10 categories, you can set up these percentages any way that you want. I'm going to click Save. Okay. So now they are all set up. One other thing I want to show you real quick with categories. Maybe I want my homework category to become first and my daily work category to become second. And the way I can do that is I can click on the category and go to Sequence, and I can change this to 1 and click Save. And then I'm going to change my daily work to 2. And click Save. And I'm going to put my tests at 3. And this is just to keep everything a little bit more orderly the way you want it. So now as you add assignments, they'll be in the way that you want them.